This knucklehead in front of me was here when I got here.
Proceed to the highlighted route.
I filled up 130 gallons and 7 gallons of DEF. He went in and got a sandwich. So by the time I was done, he still hadn't come out. And then when he is walking to the truck, he's got an attitude like I'm the one at fault. I'm the one interrupting him. I mean, parking spaces over there to park in, yet he's going to be a dick. I swear, there's some people just have no damn sense or courtesy. And then now he's going to sit there and be a dick about it. If you can't fit, I shouldn't have to. He acts like I should be able just to pull around him, like that's carte blanche for him to park there. See, this is what's called a parking lot. Little yellow line here along the side, you know, over where the trucks park. Not in front of the pumps for 20 minutes because you want to be a dickhead. I swear. Trans Quality is the trucking company. And, you know, he had the audacity to look at me and act like I'm the one getting in his way. Oh, you can't go around? I shouldn't have to go around. You should have just a little bit of basic courtesy and get the hell out the way. Ridiculous. All right, here we are at the Petro in North Las Vegas, Nevada, right off of I-15. Did not do a whole lot of filming today because just did not have a empty SD card to do it with. I'm having a little trouble uploading videos. So here it is, Friday evening. We're going to try to get see if we get a load tomorrow. More like that.